The purpose of the cardio mode is that a treadmill will change the speed or the elevation according to your heart rate. Therefore, it needs to know your heart rate, and the treadmill will get faster or slower in order to get you to your defined target heart rate zone. For example, if your target heart rate should be at 140 beats per minute, you can define also a maximum speed. For example, if the maximum speed is defined as 5 km per hour, the treadmill will get faster, but probably at 5 km per hour. You have not reached your target heart rate zone, so the treadmill will start and go in inclination as well. Another example, if the maximum speed is defined as 20 km per hour, the treadmill will get faster and faster until you run, and probably while running, you will reach your target heart rate zone of 140. The treadmill will not go in inclination in this case. Simply to start, just click on a start button and it will go into the training mode. In addition, you will see here the red dashed line which represents the target heart rate zone. After a few seconds, the treadmill will get faster. To get your heart rate up,